Hey guys, my name is Sumit and welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to solve a subarray sum equals k problem. This problem has been asked a lot of times in big companies like Google, Amazon. So we can solve this problem with brute force using two for loops, and then we can check if the sum equals to k or not, and if it's equal, then we can increase the answer or count value, and then at the end we can return the count. But the thing is that it will the time complexity for that problem will be O of n squared. So we are not interested in that. We want to solve in O of n time. So how we will do that? So before writing code for this problem, I will explain you a simple thing in terms of maths. So for example, if you see this diagram, then you see this line, right? So let's say till this point my sum is y. So what we will do, we will check the complementary of that sum, if that exists in hash map or not, because we are going to take hash map because the lookup time will be O of 1 in hash map, so it will reduce the time complexity. So and we will store the count of sum in the hash map. So why we will do that? That's what I'm trying to explain. So let's say till this point we have sum till y, okay, and we have to find the number of sub-arrays whose sum is equal to k. K is nothing but target in this case. So what we will do, we will take the complementary of y, which will be y minus k, and we will check how many count of y minus k exist in the hash map. So in this case, let's say there are two y minus k. For example, one is here, second is here. So the remaining sum will be k, right? So y minus k plus k will be y, right? Y minus k plus k is equal to y, right? Because minus k and plus k will be cancelled. This is just simple basic maths. This diagram is little messy, so I will take this diagram. For example, let's say we want to find the number of subarrays whose sum is equal to 3. So target in this case will be 3, right? And let's say we are looping over the input array, and at some point the sum is 8, right? So we will take the complementary of 8. So complementary will be 8 minus target, which will be 5. So assume that till this point, till this arrow, we have sum 5, right? So if total sum is 8 and we already have 5, like there are two 5 in the hash map, so the remaining value will be 3, right? So for example, for this case, 5 plus 3 will be 8, then only it will give, right? 5, this sub array is 5, the sum of this sub array is 5, and from this point to this point the sum is 3, right? So 5 plus 3 will be 8, then only it's total, then only the total sum is 8, right? So what we can conclude that uh, we will have to keep the count of sum when we are going through the input array, and for each sum we will find the complementary of that sum, which will be sum minus target, and then we will check if that exists in hash map or not. So if it exists, we will take the count of that subarray, I mean the complementary subarray, and then we will add it to our final answer, and then at the end we will return that answer, and that will be our the solution for this problem. So let's get into this problem straight away. So what we will do, first I will create a hash map. Hash map in sorry integer integer hash map is equal to new hash map. Okay, then in hash map we will store the count of 0 as 1, because 0 will always exist, right? At one point, let's say complementary is 5 minus 5, that complementary value of sum will be like 0, then 0 already exists, so we will add the count of that 0 in the final answer. So that's why we will put we will put 1 for 0, we will have to include that. Now take a final answer like sum or something, sum 0, and then we will iterate on input array. Okay, then we'll add this to our add the current number to our sum. Then we will check if complementary value of that sum with the given target exists in the hash map or not. So let's say complement. I won't name it as complementary because too long. So I will put it as remaining. Actually, that is also too long. So let's name it as CV. Complementary value is equal to sum minus target. I mean K. Okay, and we will check if this exists in hash map or not. So if uh, hm dot contains key CV, if it contains, then we will get the value of that complementary value. Okay, count int count. Okay, hm dot get CV, and we will add that to our answer. So actually no, we will take count variable like this because we want to return count. Okay, and then we will do count is equal to count plus hm dot get CV. Okay, that's what we will do here. And also we have to update the number of and the count of sum in the hash map. So if we will check if hm dot same thing, let me copy this hm contains key sum, then we will increase its count hm dot put, then sum, then hm dot get sum plus 1. Okay, else if it's coming for the first time, then we will just put the sum as 1. Okay, so this will be h, and then at the end we will return this count variable. Return count variable. I hope everything is gonna work fine. Let's run the code. CNTA minus contains key. Okay, so I think let's try to submit it, and it's working fine. That's it, guys. This was the solution for this problem. I hope you liked it. If you like it, then please give my video a vote, and please subscribe my channel for the new upcoming videos. Thank you.